If you like to gain knowledge and extend it to the community for development, then extension education might be the right path for you. Hello and welcome back to our channel Home Science A Way Forward. आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे ऑल अबाउट एक्सटेंशन एजुकेशन के बारे में। Extension education is the science of developing capabilities of people for sustainable improvement in their quality of life. It is a field of study that makes students understand various issues and challenges of development with special reference to rural population. The students learn to identify community needs and learn how to plan, implement and evaluate extension programs strategically.
Now, let us learn about home science extension in detail from an eminent personality, Dr. Aparna Khanna.
Home science extension specialists have always had the advantage of interdisciplinary education. And today, it offers many new professional opportunities using concepts of design thinking, participatory approach, and the human-centered design approach. We can now create many new innovative communication tools and strategies using digital platforms which are easily accessible to all of us. Home science extension specialists can work in the area of graphic designing. They can also work in the area of creating video and audio content, blogging. The domain of social media, I think, should be really very exciting to the new generation of extension practitioners because it offers opportunities for digital campaigning, market research, and using media to reach out to various communities. Collaborating and co-creating in multidisciplinary teams is vital for the success of our extension endeavors. We must see the present time as a huge opportunity to reinforce the relevance of home science extension as a discipline, and we must also try to bring to the forefront the advantages that our discipline brings to community development by reaching out to the unreached and bringing about desirable and sustained change.
Also, according to Dr. Aparna Khanna, artificial intelligence can be used for trainings, workshops, debate, and other online forums. We should use digital platforms in optimal manner and unlearn, relearn, and skill up and get out of our comfort zones. We need to learn how to assess open source and free digital resources to create new tools and strategies. We should use softwares that are easy, simple, and can be shared across various digital platforms.
इससे पहले भी हमने आप लोगों के साथ एक वीडियो शेयर किया था जिसमें हमने टॉप प्रेफर्ड कोर्सेज इन ऑल 5 डिपार्टमेंट्स ऑफ होम साइंस डिस्कस किए थे, तो प्लीज चेक इट आउट.
Now, let us learn about admissions and extension education and community management from a distinguished personality, Dr. Dhriti Solanki.
The College of Community and Applied Sciences, MPUAT Udaipur, is offering MSc in Extension Education and Communication Management. The admission in the program is through ICAR entrance examination and pre-PG examination of the state. After doing MSc in the subject, the student can opt for jobs in private and government sector. Among government services, there is a post of lecturer in government schools, which is through State Public Service Commission. They can also apply for assistant professor in state agricultural universities and scientist in the ICR institutes. Besides, they can become JRF or SRF in various research projects. Nowadays, large number of national and international non-government organizations recruit extension scientists at various hierarchical levels. The extension scientist can also work in various media agencies. Apart from this, many of the corporate agencies, they are appointing extension scientists in their CSR activities. So I hope that the subject has ample opportunities for the students. Thank you.
In a nutshell, extension education prepares its students to work with both government and non-government organizations for community development.
Finally, we have with us dynamic and zestful Dr. Lalita Vatta, who has a significant information for our dear viewers.
Hello dear students, I am Dr. Lalita Vatta, teaching in Department of Home Science, University of Rajasthan. Extension education is a science which deals with creation, transmission, application of knowledge. We create knowledge, we transmit knowledge, and we apply that knowledge in order to bring planned change in behavioral complex of people. And the purpose behind this is to help them in living better by learning the new way of improving the vocation, their enterprise, their institution, and their life. The career opportunities available in this subject are community mobilizers, government departments, advocacy journalism, development consultancy, media management, IEC material development, training. These are apart from conventional methods. Of course, teaching in school, college, research is always there, and NGOs are always there to work with which kind of experiences we have in our teaching. We can use in that according to the area of specialization, and it is known as extension education, development communication and extension, as well as communication management. So depend on the university to university, it names varies. So all the best dear students, have a good day. Choose a subject according to your basic skills and your aptitude, because if your aptitudes are not with you and you choose another subject which doesn't suit to your personality, it may lead to complexities in future. Take care, all the best, bye.
Thank you so much ma'am for sharing your kind words with us, and thanks to you for watching our video. मैं आशा करती हूँ कि यह वीडियो आपके लिए मददगार होगी. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also press bell icon button. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.